Hi guys, do you want to learn how to create curved lines with arrows like this in Microsoft Word? Let me show you how. I have few more other samples. You can see that here there is a irregular line also with arrows. So now let me show you how to create this. First let us go to a blank space. If you go to insert shapes, you could see that there are already some curved lines with arrows. So you can create curved lines with arrows like this. You can also make some customizations, and then apply the shape outline color, line weight, etc. This is one predefined option. Now let us try the other tools like the curve tool, freeform, and scribble. The curve has a lot of flexibility. You can create curved lines like this, and then you can apply the fill color, outline color, outline weight, and the arrow style. So how to create this kind of a shape? See, for this I have taken the circle. You can draw a circle, remove the fill color, set no fill for that. Let us set the shape outline color and the line weight. Then you can click on the edit shape, edit points, and then you can simply right click on one of these nodes and click on open path. Let me delete this segment. I'll right click on this node and click on delete point. Now we will simply have to change the arrow style. So you get this kind of a curve with arrow. Now let us try this style. So for that I have taken the heart symbol. Let me try that on a heart symbol. We'll set the fill color to none, and we'll go to the edit points. Now right click over here and click on open path. Now you can adjust the nodes how you want. Now instead of repeating the same task like applying the outline style, etc., you can copy the style. So what you can do is you can select the line that is already created, then go to home tab, click on format painter and click on this line, so it copies the same line style. Now using the same method I created this kind of a line with arrows, and this is with the scribble tool. So I hope that you liked this tutorial. If you know any other techniques, you can tell that in the comments. So I'll see you with another awesome content in my next video. Thanks for watching.